In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the multi-level board beta in Monday.com. Go to monday.com in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, you should land in your workspace. On the left sidebar, you'll see your boards, and near that area, look for the blue plus button. Click that blue plus button, hover over board, then click the arrow next to board to open more options. From that list, choose New Multi-Level Board, and you'll see that it's marked Beta. In the board name field, type Marketing Campaign. Give that a moment on screen so the name is clearly entered. Under What are you managing? Choose Tasks, then click Create Board. Your new board opens right away. In the top left area, you'll notice the multi-level label. You'll also see default columns like Person, Status, and Timeline. Monday.com may preload a sample item with nested subitems, and we'll clear that out first. If those placeholder items are there, use the checkboxes on the left to select them, then click Delete in the batch action bar at the bottom. Now go to the bottom of the group and click Add Item. Type Website Redesign, then press Enter. This becomes your parent item or your top-level item in the hierarchy. Next, hover over Website Redesigned. A small expand arrow appears on the left side. Click it to open the sub-item area. Under that item, click the plus button to add a sub-item. Type UX Research, then press Enter. Click the plus button again, and this time type Visual Design. Then press Enter. Now you've created two Level 1 sub-items under the parent item. To go one level deeper, hover over UX Research and click its expand arrow on the left. Then click the plus button below UX Research. Type Interview Users, then press Enter. Click the plus button again, type Analyze Survey Data, and press Enter. At this point, you have a three-level structure, and one important thing to notice is that every level shares the same columns. That's how multi-level boards are designed to work. Now let's look at rollup behavior. Find the status cell next to Interview Users, click it, and choose Done. As soon as you do that, look at UX Research. It updates automatically to show partial progress. Next, click the status cell beside Analyze Survey Data and select Done. Now UX Research shows Done because all of its child items are complete. Website Redesign still shows partial progress, since Visual Design hasn't been completed yet. That's the rollup in action. The values entered at the lowest level roll upward automatically, and those rolled up parent values can't be edited directly. To turn that off for the status column, click the three-dot menu in the status column header. Choose Settings, then click Turn Off Rollup. Confirm by clicking Replace Column. Now click the status cell next to Website Redesign and select Working on it. This time, the value applies directly to the parent item. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's the core workflow for using the multi-level board beta in Monday.com. From creating the board to building nested work and controlling how rollups behave.